It's time to do another Google Chump Change unboxing. This costs less than $20 from China. You gotta wait for weeks, but hey, this is a Wi-Fi SmartNet camera. It's easy to achieve real-time remote viewing. Does all these things. IR cut, wireless, iPhone, Android, TF storage, pan tilt, two-way intercom, and the smart cloud. Alright, you're in bed. It's early Sunday morning, or early Sunday, Saturday, any day of the week. And what? Ding dong. Jehovah Witnesses are pressing your doorbell. This, put it out the window, tilt and pan. See instructions. But you got to remember, this did come from China. You know what that means. It's from Europe. Got that. Garbage. Mounting screws. We got Velcro. No clue what that is. This must be the mounting. Ooh. Get something to cover it. I can now put it outside, put a little thing over the top, and it's now an outdoor camera. Just got to get a ladder. Get rid of that. Actually, I might need that, so we're going to save that. Because it does have that Scammy on it. Infrared. Plug it in. But as you notice, this is European. You know what that means to me? Recycle. This is cool. Keep an eye on the front step, keep an eye on the car, and somewhere here I stick a card that we haven't figured out yet, and it records directly to the card. Let's be the on off. Let's see how long this is. Good 3 feet. We like the angled insert. I don't have any angled tool. Mine is straight from the dollar store. So that means I need to go to the dollar store, get the adapter. But wait, I probably have some sitting around. Yep, what do you know? Got my Samsung. We don't use Samsung anymore, so we don't need it for Samsung. And there you go. We're ready to rock and roll. I like the mounting plate. That's pretty cool. Less than $20 for 1080. Stop. You've got to be kidding me, right? Nice. Thank you, Google.